A modern quarter-turn angle shutoff valve is the best choice for toilet supply lines because it offers reliable sealing and fast operation. Choose a quarter-turn angle valve made from solid brass with a stainless steel ball and PTFE seats for longevity and corrosion resistance. Measure the existing supply line and tailpiece spacing before buying so the valve inlet and outlet align without forcing the supply hose. Most toilets use a 3/8 inch compression nut on the supply hose, but verify by measuring the nut diameter and thread type. When installing, first shut off the main water and drain the line by flushing the toilet and blotting remaining water with a towel to avoid spills. For a compression style install, slide the compression nut and ring onto the incoming pipe, insert the pipe fully into the valve body, and tighten the nut until snug plus a quarter turn with an adjustable wrench to compress the ring correctly without cracking copper or brass. If sweat or solder connections are preferred, use proper flux, heat evenly with a propane torch, and avoid overheating the valve stem by using a wet rag around the valve during soldering to protect internal seals. After installation, test the valve by turning water back on slowly, exercising the quarter turn action several times, and checking all joints for leaks with a paper towel. A tiny seep requires retightening or replacing the compression ring, not more force. Common mistakes include over-tightening compression fittings, which can crush the ferrule or deform the tubing and cause leaks, so tighten progressively and replace the ferrule if it has been compressed incorrectly. Another issue is using cheap zinc or poorly plated valves that corrode quickly. Choose solid brass bodies with quality internal components, and avoid valves that feel lightweight or have visible casting flaws. A third frequent problem is failing to remove old mineral buildup or using improper soldering technique that damages valve seals, so clean pipes thoroughly with emery cloth and protect the valve stem when soldering, or choose a sweatless compression valve to avoid heat entirely. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and discover project ideas related to plumbing upgrades, and we make it easy for contractors to find work and showcase their services. We also host an active discussion community where we, our neighbors, and tradespeople share tips, ask questions, and post real experience about installations like quarter-turn angle shutoff valves.